Hey Elite family, I'm here with Celine. We did the humongous kitchen, we did our laundry room, 2 bathrooms, a total of 84 pieces, some crown molding, a light rail. So we did a lot of work, and one thing that I would like to ask Celine is, what had you go with us and how did you find out about us?
As soon as I knew we were going to be doing our kitchen, I went online and started looking at companies that would do kitchen refinishing, because we weren't going to change our cabinets. We had really good boxes and doors, and I was going to keep those. And Elite was in looking at reviews, and their website was one of the best companies that it's the first company that I called to have come in and give us an estimate. After that, we called 3 other companies, and from the moment Alex walked in, I knew he was going to be the person we were going to be going with, without a doubt in my mind, and I was not disappointed.
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Then, what was your full experience with Elite Cabinet Coatings, from me coming in to the crew, the finish? Tell us a little bit about that.
Okay. I have to say that from the first appointment, I really had a lot of confidence in you and how you ran your company. And when you have confidence in the people that you hire, it lets you sit back and relax a little bit and actually enjoy the process. I never had to worry about if I was going to have quality work, quality workmanship. I just knew that from everything I had researched and with talking to you, that was the company you ran and was the company that I wanted to do business with. And I didn't have that experience with other people that came in and gave us estimates. There was no doubt in my mind that I was making the right decision, because I would have probably stressed through the whole process. So going with Elite was not only my instincts were correct, but the whole process. The guys that came in here were wonderful workers, hardworking, courteous, pleasant to be around. We enjoyed, the process that went through. I mean, the detail that they go through to protect your cabinets, your belongings and everything. The process is excellent too. So, I mean, it was just a really wonderful experience from start to finish. From the referrals to the stone to, everybody that we had, just the best experience.
Awesome.
And I tell everybody. I tell everybody I know.
And she beat me to my last question.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Would you refer us to your friends and family?
I haven't stopped referring. I don't care if I go into a business that might have something that might be related to what you do. I'll say if ever anybody needs, have them at least call Elite, because they would not be disappointed. I tell the girls at tennis. I tell my friends and family. We had a Super Bowl party here this past weekend, and everybody thought I had brand new cabinets because they're so beautifully done. So I refer you all the time.